Are you looking for a simple, natural way to improve your health? Look no further than apple cider vinegar. This incredible vinegar has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of health conditions. In this video, we'll explore 7 surprising benefits of apple cider vinegar that you might not know about. So, let's get started. Hey there, it's the Quick List, and today we're talking about the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar. This vinegar is made by fermenting apples, and it's packed with a variety of nutrients and health-promoting properties. So, let's explore some of the top benefits of apple cider vinegar. Boosts skin health. Apple cider vinegar can help balance the pH level of the skin, which can reduce acne and other skin conditions. It also contains antioxidants that can help protect the skin from free radical damage and promote a healthy glow. Aids in weight loss. Studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can help reduce appetite and promote feelings of fullness, which can lead to weight loss over time. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels and improve metabolism. Supports healthy digestion. Apple cider vinegar can help increase stomach acid, which can improve digestion and nutrient absorption. It can also help reduce bloating, gas, and other digestive issues. Reduces inflammation. Apple cider vinegar contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. This can be beneficial for conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and even heart disease. Boosts energy levels. Apple cider vinegar contains enzymes and amino acids that can help reduce fatigue and improve energy levels. It can also help break down lactic acid in the body, which can reduce muscle soreness after exercise. Supports immune function. The antimicrobial properties of apple cider vinegar can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. It can also help improve lymphatic drainage and promote healthy immune function. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Apple cider vinegar can help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. This can be especially beneficial for those with diabetes or pre-diabetes. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed learning about the many benefits of apple cider vinegar. Whether you're looking to improve your skin health, lose weight, or support your immune function, this natural remedy has something to offer. As always, make sure to consult with your healthcare provider before trying any new natural remedies. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.